How to download and install Firefox on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to download and install Firefox on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a longtime Firefox user or you're new to the browser, we've got you covered. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or any other browser you like. In the search bar, type Mozilla Firefox and hit enter. Click on the official Firefox download link, which should be the first result. This will take you to the Firefox download page. Here, you'll see a big blue button that says Download Firefox. Go ahead and click on that button. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Click on Run. Next, the Firefox Setup Wizard will open. The installation process will begin, and you'll see a progress bar indicating how far along it is. Once the installation is complete, it will open up at its own. And that's it. Firefox is now installed on your Windows 11 computer. Wasn't that easy? Now you can enjoy all the features and benefits of Firefox on your Windows 11 device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.